This box looks just like the original from Squid Game series, right? Well, believe it or not, it's handmade with just cardboard. Stick around and I'll show you how. So many of you have asked me to make the famous games box. But here's the first dilemma. There are two. The official merchandise box and the enigmatic box we see in the show. So I've decided to combine the best of both worlds into one unique and amazing box. Every good project starts with a plan. Here are the exact measurements I've designed for our box. 39 centimeters long, 27 wide, and 7 high. We'll use foam board because it's lightweight, has the ideal thickness, 0.5 centimeters, and is very easy to cut. If you don't have any, regular cardboard also works, but you'll have to cut several layers to reach 1.5 centimeters in thickness. Now comes the moment of truth. Cutting and gluing. We're going to cut all the pieces you see on screen. But here's the trick to give our box that robust look. We're going to glue some pieces together to achieve the ideal thickness.
Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays. But I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat. Somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never. Never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song.
Once the structure is assembled, we're going to give it a wood look. I'll create realistic wood grain with a comb or the back of a brush, texturing all the sides.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll be
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me.
With our wooden panels ready, we'll join the corners with hot glue, making sure the angles are perfect.
that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it.
A little crafting break, to talk about my little treasures. You know I'm the #1 fan of Perry-made, and these are my must-haves. Look at this gorgeous bow, this butterfly ring that's pure fantasy, and these bracelets that I never take off. If you like them as much as I do, I'll leave the links in the description. I forgot to make the symbols on one of the sides before gluing the pieces. But like in any good game, you have to adapt. So with the box already assembled, I had to draw the symbols with a template. I'll leave the template in the video description in case you need it. Using the template, we'll carefully cut out the circle, triangle, and square with a craft knife. Don't worry if they don't come out perfect. We'll fix it.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite.
I'll use putty to fill in the imperfections of the symbols and reinforce them from the inside. It'll look professional.
Me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me
Wait a minute, there's still more. As I told you at the beginning, this box is an all-in-one of the series and the merchandise. I'm going to use these colored pencils and acrylic markers from Ohuhu. Look at all the color and tip options they have. Perfect for any detail you can think of. By the way, if you like these materials, I recommend checking out their website. The link is in the description, because they almost always have some interesting offers.
They keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on, no. We're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
And for the central part, I've added this red cardstock where I'll write a personalized message with a white marker. If you're going to give it as a gift, here's the perfect spot for your words.
We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna...
To keep our mini games from bouncing around inside the box, we're going to create some dividers with cardboard rectangles. You can glue them together, but not to the box, so you can use or remove them whenever you want. This little detail makes a big difference in the presentation. We did it! Our box is ready to store our Squid Game treasures. It's amazing what we've done with just cardboard. I hope you enjoyed the process and that it inspires you to create your own. I hope you liked this tutorial. If so, show it with a big like. Subscribe so you don't miss more original ideas, and leave me a comment telling me what you thought of this creative challenge. See you in the next video.